It is 8:52 a.m. Temperature is 61 degrees. Morning low was 59 degrees. And you're listening to Fish and Christine on 95.7 The Mix. And hello, good morning. And I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to be telling, and then I'm going to be showing, and then I'm going to be showing you my breakfast. This is the one of the chicken breasts that we got from Ken's Market. I cooked the big one, the individual one, and that's gone. But I cooked these up yesterday morning, and I did not have enough time to video them. But as you can see, I'll pick one up. This is an actual chicken breast. And they say chicken breast. Okay, that's even better. Look. They say chicken breast. But you can almost call them a roast. And these are from our Ken's Market. Same thing with this one. Sometimes you get one. Okay, that's even bigger. The back is even more better to show. But this is another one. You get two in a package. Sometimes you get one. But the Ken's Market is right down the road from us. I've gotten some comments that YouTube will allow me to see, but I can't comment back. And they wanted to see the chicken breasts. So here are the chicken breasts from Ken's Market. Here's something else that I cooked up. These are little smokies with bacon bits. And here is more of our Roma tomatoes. Like with the video that I printed out this morning, some things you just gotta say. I'm sorry, but it had to be said. I know the world was thinking it, but some things just need to be said. Jesus. How is everybody this morning? And here is what I'm having for breakfast today. These are strawberries here, strawberry preserve with butter, and the little smokies that I showed earlier. And we have Mr. Fork. Oh, Shake It Off by Taylor Swift is on. Oh, that's even better. But this is what I'm having for breakfast. I am Kara Knopf, your host, and I'll see everybody next time. Bye-bye. And it is 8:58 a.m. Players gonna play, baby. Hey, baby. Shake it off. Break. Shake it off. To zoom in on that, and this is Carrie's breakfast. Everybody, have a great one. Bye-bye.